when Behad was offered to me and they narrated the story to me, and they told me she dies in the end. I'm like, wow. That is what made me do the show, that she dies in the end. Because till then, in my head, I was thinking that, it sounds like a nice show, this and that, and I want to do it, but TV पर if you play an antagonist, वो vamp बना देंगे आपको, that's because that's what I have also grown up on. That is what I have also seen all my life, okay? कि अगर आपका विलन, एक तो हीरो है, हीरोइन है, विलन है, ठीक है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है जज साहब. तो तुमने बोला चलो, if it does not do well, at least I'll die, okay? And plus the show sounds great and all of that, वो सब तो था ही, okay? So I did that show, and that was 2016, and that's when I fell in love with acting. That is what I was talking about, because when I played that character, I swear I did not know that I was capable of playing a character like this, because there was just so many layers to the character. There was I have enjoyed every moment of working on that set, not because of my co-actors or I mean, of course, all of that is there, but just the joy of going back to work and being that character, they used to give me holidays. I said, मेरे को छुट्टी नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को please काम कराओ. Because I wanted to go to work. I wanted to do those scenes. I wanted to say those dialogues. I wanted to emote those emotions. And that's when I'm like, this is the biggest high and joy an actor can get. And then when it is received so amazingly,
oh my God, people are crazy.
That just kind of gave me a validation and encouragement and motivated me to do not just those kind of roles, but different kinds of roles. Because I made that shift from, or I got lucky that I got offered that, I made that shift from playing the good girl to a grey girl. I did that. I did this well. Now what happened after this is I kept getting the same kind of grey characters, and I'm like, but I don't have anything more to give to this grey character, because I've already given
industry tries
here.
To box you.
I don't care. If I see myself on TV and I'm like, this is this, like suppose I'm playing Monica, okay, in Codem, I see, even if I see a similarity of Maya in Monica, that pisses me off. Because if I'm watching it as an audience, I'm like, hey, she's doing the same thing that she did in that show. I don't like that. I do not like that. And I that's why I don't do a lot of work, because the kind of work that gets offered to me, unfortunately, is kind of the same kind of work that I've been doing. And I want to keep reinventing. I want to keep challenging myself. I want to do different kinds of roles and work, so that I also learn. I don't know if I'll be good at it or not, but I am okay to fail.
You know why I respect you? I will not name, but there are actors who have transitioned, who started off on TV, got like extreme mileage from TV and the space, and and then they moved on to doing films or whatever, and they completely disregard the TV tag. Like, कुछ टाइम होता है कि हाँ, TV tag. I'm telling you why I'm asking you this is because I know you are very proud of your roots.
I definitely am.
There are producers and casting people who feel that they don't want to cast TV actors. That is a thing.
Of course.
But not many people know that there are also actors who don't like being called TV actors despite gaining immense popularity.
It's kind of a action reaction.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So there is not, you can't blame one side. It is happening on both sides, okay? You are kicking me, so I will also kick back, no?
Yeah.
Why will I take it? So they must have, whoever you're talking about, they must have gone through certain experiences or in their life where they were rejected because they're from TV, and it has happened to all of us. All of us. It has happened. It's not a big thing. It has happened to all of us. I don't want to get into the detail of it, but it's okay. That's when you say, fine, and this is not, you don't have to explain this to somebody else, or this is a conversation that you have with yourself, and you say that fine, they think that I'm only capable of this much. I will do, because I'm an actor, I will mold in any way that you give me, okay? Doesn't matter TV, OTT, film, ye, wo.